solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode is about the single Filipino mom who survived without support from her children's fathers if he is still alive. She works, she fights, she conquers, and you won't believe how she does it without a peso from the dad. In every corner of the Philippines, you'll find her. Maybe she's posing a cart in the wet market. Maybe she's serving coffee at 6 a.m. in a roadside eatery. She's the single Filipina mom, unapologetically strong, wildly resourceful, and silently sacrificing everything to give her kids a better future. Her husband may have walked out, or maybe he was never there to begin with, but giving up is not in her vocabulary. This episode provides reasons why single hardworking Filipina moms not only survive but thrive even without the presence or support of their child's father. Let's get into my reasons. Reasons number one, her kids are her fuel. She wakes up tired, she gets to bed exhausted, but every time she sees her child's face, she finds new energy. Her love is not conditional. It's not dependent on whether a man stayed or paid. Her kids are her motivation, her reason, and her mission. In her eyes, they don't need a perfect life, just a life where they feel love, feed, and sing. That alone pushes her beyond the breaking point, and somehow she never breaks. Reason number two, she masters the side hustle. From online selling to cooking olam for neighbors, from doing laundry to accepting remote jobs, these women know how to stretch every hour and every peso. Some become bloggers, others turn into part-time tutors or enter caregiving even while working full-time. She's not waiting for a child support. She's that I'll never come. She builds her own ladder, one hustle at a time. Reason number three, Filipina grit is in her blood. Filipinas are known worldwide for their resilience, but the single mom version, she's next level. Even in typhoons, inflation, or rising prices of rice, she adapts. Whether it's commuting 2 hours with her kid, going to work with a fever, or skipping her own meal to feed her child, her endurance becomes almost superhuman. Pain doesn't stop here. Poverty doesn't silence here. Society doesn't shame here. She's got grit in her bones. Reason number four. The barangay is her backup. She's never truly alone. The Filipino culture of bayanihan, the spirit of community comes alive for her. Grandparents help babysit. Neighbors bring extra food. Friends lend a listening ear or even a little cash. She taps into this web of support not out of weakness, but from strategic survival. She knows the value of emotional anchors and silent heroes around her. Reason number five. She builds a life without bitterness. Despite being abandoned, cheated on, ghosted, or left without answers, she chooses growth over grudge. She doesn't waste time bashing the father online or drowning in drama. She invests her energy in building, not breaking. That takes emotional maturity many never reach. Her forgiveness isn't for the man, it's for herself. So she can breathe, so she can rise. Reason number six. She doesn't wait for rescue, she is the rescue. There's no knight in shining armor in her story. She becomes her own hero. She doesn't expect a new man to solve her life. She doesn't want pity. She wants progress. When her child gets sick, she's the one in the hospital. When tuition is due, she figures it out. When birthdays come, she finds a way to make it special. She doesn't cry for help. She becomes the help. Being a single mom in the Philippines isn't just hard, it can be brutal. But thousands of Filipino women do it every day with grace, with guts, and with zero hands outs. So the next time you see one of these quiet warriors, maybe she's holding her child on a jeepney or smiling behind a sari-sari store counter, remember, she's not a victim. She's a victor. She's raising the next generation with nothing but love, fire, and the kind of strength that can't be taught. Her pride, integrity, ethics, and faith is cemented in stone, and pity and empathy is not her vocabulary. She is a warrior and wonder woman. She is a pillar of strength and survival. Thank you for subscribing, donating, and watching my channel. We are family. See you next episode.